Before we jump in, if you enjoy smartphone reviews, foldables, AI, and the latest tech, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow and motivates me to create more videos like this. And while you're watching, let me know in the comments which one would you choose. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's thinking about upgrading. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.